And she is back with another video. Back with another video. Back from a long run, baby. What you mean? Back from a long run? It ain't even back with another video. It's back from a long run. You know what I'm saying? So today, we're going to be doing a mukbang slash answering people questions. I already know the questions. I don't have to read off no phone or nothing like that because it's been the same old questions. It's been the same more questions ever since last year, okay? I ain't did no video ever since last year. Let's be honest here. But anyways, we finna get motherfuckers before we get in this video. Go like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm sorry that I'm mumbling, but it's hard for me to talk right now, you know what I'm saying? Because my teeth on swole mode right now. But we not even gonna talk about that. But before we get in the video, let's
Life is fucking amazing.
Get that Bentley.
Say they had me fucked up, I done bounce back. Light it up, roll it up. We smoke on it up pet. Anytime I do that move, she don't come in, but she like that. Anytime I do that move, I'ma fuck real good, she coming back. I say, hold on, I ain't go broke, I was just chillin'. Hold on, had to pipe up.
today what we gonna be eating on God. What we gonna be eating? What we gonna be eating, Nisha? So I already started eating. Before y'all get on my head, I have already started eating. Let me get that bone out of there. But I already had started eating. You know, we got some lemon pepper wings and some hot wings, you know what I'm saying, slash hot wings, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna say the slash up in there. Sorry that I'm putting my hands all in the camera. I'm trying to get that thing out my way. But anyways, y'all, that's why I should be using my back camera, but I don't. I don't know why I don't use my back camera, but I don't. I should start using my back camera or whatever. But oh yeah, we drinking a I don't know what this is. Wait, what you call it? We drinking a Milo Yellow. Yeah, there we go. We drinking a Milo Yellow. But anyways, y'all, let's get this thing started. Okay, so most of the questions that I've been getting is where you been? Why you ain't been posting no YouTube video? Why you quit YouTube? Why you just haven't been posting? I want to see you post. I want to see you do YouTube videos. You know what I'm saying? I've been getting stuff like that. Where I been? Why I ain't been doing this? Why I ain't been doing that? Or whatever. We finna get on to all that, baby. I'm finna get every subject that y'all asked for on Instagram and everything. So I did tell people to send me questions on Instagram, but most of the question was like, wait. Yeah, I don't too like it. Anyway. I bet y'all like this is me coming out. Anyways, so yeah, that's most of the questions I've been getting, you know what I'm saying? Really nothing to it. But okay, my phone blacked out. My iPhone 6s Plus, it blacked out. We finna turn this thing short, you know what I'm saying? We finna turn this thing short. Anyways, my iPhone 6s Plus blacked out. When it blacked out, I had to wait. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna have to cut the last video. But anyways, better I was saying, well, if I had got interrupted, yeah, and that's the reason why I haven't been posting. I haven't never quit YouTubing. Like, if you talk to me on a daily basis, you'll know I talk about YouTube, doing YouTube all the time, you know what I'm saying? Saying, oh, I need to post a video, I need to do that, I need to do that. I still be trying to shout out my YouTube, but then at the same time, I really don't be worrying about my YouTube because, I mean, it's YouTube. I mean, I probably lost some subscribers and don't even know it, you know what I'm saying? I don't check my YouTube every time, you know, I don't shout out my YouTube like I should do. But yeah, basically, yeah, that's what just been going on, you know what I'm saying? Me just been, you know, doing what I do, you know what I'm saying? Daily basis, you know, work, come home, sleep, eat. Work, come home, sleep, eat, don't go nowhere. Like, I don't go nowhere. I don't. I don't go nowhere. You know? But at the end of the day, you know, I don't really be doing that. I don't, you know. I mean, when I post it, y'all see them. I might make some of y'all happy. I might not make some of y'all happy. You know. But at the end of the day, I'm doing it for, you know, people that really want me to do YouTube. People that been asking me like, why you ain't been posting no YouTube video? When you gonna post a YouTube video? When you gonna do what you need to do? You know? I mean, you know, some people have been pushing me. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shout them out. I'm gonna get faces of them. I'm gonna get them to send me a picture and put it on the screen. I'm be like, this is the person that been, you know, asking me a lot of stuff and stuff like that. You know, to be honest, I really don't edit my video like I post them. The video won't be edited except for a part when my brothers walked in. That's it. I mean, I watch people on YouTube so much. Why not have your own YouTube? Y'all know, y'all, sorry for my smacking. I know for some reason I can't, like, it's like I can't talk or I can't eat or whatever. Oh, sorry if y'all saw that. Yeah, I probably did. But anyways, I just be cooling, you know. Yeah. Oh. Oh my God. I really be chilling and cool, turning up. But I can't tell y'all what I did on Mother's Day. So of course I don't have a son. I'm only 19 years old, as you know. But it turned 20, the big 20, and October the 4th. You know what I'm saying? Can't play with her in 2021, but you know what I'm saying? Listen. So that Saturday before Mother's Day, I had my grandma a birthday party. It was her birthday. Her birthday was on Mother's Day. That was a that was a Sunday. Saturday was the only day that she can drink and want to do what she want to do and, you know, do all that smoking and stuff like that. I ain't gonna put her being out there like that because I ain't like that, you know what I'm saying? I don't put people being out there, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta bless God. I mean, you gotta be blessed on, you know, Sunday or whatever, you know. But anyways, y'all, so her birthday was on a Sunday. Sad. But Mother's Day, I had a Mother's Day / birthday party. Basically what I did. So all the grown folks, you know, kids came over too, you know what I'm saying? It don't act like y'all ain't been around no, but they went in grown folk face, basically. Y'all, to be honest, I wasn't even in the grown folks face. Man, I came in my room. It was I wouldn't say it was lame, but it wasn't lame for my mom and my grandma and them. Because I mainly thought the party for my mama cause for more than Mother's Day. And then for all the mothers out in the world that, you know, got kids and more than one kid or whatever. You know, had murdered. I said all that on social media or whatever. But yeah, so I had them party. Y'all, my grandma, she had got so freaking wasted. It didn't even make no sense. She went to sleep, y'all. She had to spend the night over our house. She got up for a second round, so we were just partying by ourselves, like me, my mama, my grandma, my granddaddy, my brother's daddy, my little brother's daddy, and all of it. We just partying, you know what I'm saying, by ourselves, 'cause everybody had left. By the time my grandma had got up, everybody had left. I'm talking about left. She want to get up at the last minute. Oh, party. Girl, you missed it. You missed your own party. How do you miss your own party? Y'all, this woman got so sloppy, wasted. She went to sleep on her own party. I mean, she was looking fly, cute, had her eyelashes on and everything. Y'all, she got up and was like, oh, my eyelash missing, because she was talking about she wanted to wear her eyelash tomorrow. I mean, the next day. So I'm just like, okay, you know, let's find your little eyelash or whatever. So we found it and we put it somewhere safe where she can, you know, grab it and go out the door and somebody could just put it on for her or whatever. Y'all, I'm talking about this woman just like was everywhere. But we had fun though on that day. No cap, I did have fun on that day. You know what I'm saying? It was real nice and everything. But for real, to be honest, I really just haven't been doing that. For real, to be honest, y'all. I really haven't been, you know, going out nowhere. I ain't been nowhere for real. Like tomorrow, I'm supposed to be going to the movies, but I'm like, should I go to the movies? Should I not? I want to vlog going to the movies, but guess what? My nigga, I have to, what you call it? I have to go to work. So I might just get up and do my intro or whatever, and then show y'all that I'm going to work or whatever. And then after that, when I get off of work, I block myself. Like, I'm gonna block myself while I'm at work and say, okay, I'm gonna tell y'all the plan, how we gonna do it, because I want to come back home and get ready. But I'm deciding to bring me some clothes there, bring me to close to my work job, then change in my work job, and then just hop straight in the car with, you know, whoever, and just. But that's gonna be another next video, who I tell you I'm going to the movies with, and all this and third. I do have another YouTube video where I'm gonna talk about how my breakup went or whatever, and how, you know, how he was. I ain't gonna show no pictures or nothing of him because he probably don't want to be seen, but you know, it was a hard breakup, no cap, it was. But we ain't gonna talk about that. We talking about where I been and where everything been going. But anyways, it was a slash lame, cause it was lame cause I didn't even get done with my food. It really wasn't nothing to talk about. Like I told y'all, like my phone blacked out, and I just haven't been worried about YouTube. I'ma just be honest. I haven't quit YouTube, but I talk about it 24/7. But I be like, oh, I'm not gonna make no video. I'm not gonna do that. But y'all, motherfucker, into the video, go like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you know when I post the next video, cause we finna get some videos rocking and dasking. You know what I'm saying? So peace out.
Light it up, roll it up, we smoke on it up pit. Anytime I do that move, she don't come in, but she like that. Anytime I do that move, I'ma fuck real good, she coming back. I say, hold on.